Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I'm here outside today and I received my swap. It's through a Facebook group. So we do this, me and her do the swap every year. So let's take a look and see what I received. All right. So I got the box open. Thought I'd sit outside and open this up real quick and see what we got here. I hope you guys are all doing well. Yeah. So let's take a look. First we got this. I can find a card. I don't see a card. We got some goodies here. We got a butterfly. First of all, this pre-made envelope is so adorable. She did such a good job. Watermelons paper. And we got this pea. And we got some butterflies. And some cute coasters. You could make ephemera pieces out of. Oh, that's the wrong one. We got some bling flowers. The outside does not do it justice. These are so pretty, shiny. And then we got some of these cute coasters you can use ephemeras out of. It's like cute flowers. And then we have this cute locket. And it says it has a shopping bag on it. Isn't that cute? That's so adorable. Then she put this extra bag in here. I love using these. And we got some luxury petal soap, vanilla. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. And we've got this gnome bucket. Oh, this is so cute. Looks like 4th of July. Let's see here. Yeah, like the 4th of July. That's so cute. Found, oh, look at this. So adorable. We got this blingy purse with the sequins on it, and you go like this and you can, I love that. That is so pretty. We got some cute washi tape. It has like watermelons, stuff like that. We got some of these. I always use these. These are heart doilies. So those are so nice. Get the wind kind of blowing here. Then we got this cute, what do you call this? Gnome thing for Halloween. Isn't that adorable? Has a little bead on top. We got some great, beautiful paper. Look at this paper. We got some vellum. And we got this notebook, which is always nice. Look at this vellum paper. I think that's pretty. Got some more paper. Looks like a calendar and you can do stuff with them. That's always pretty. And it has Saturday through Sunday, I guess, on here. So you can plan out your whatever you want to do. So nice. Thank you so much. And we got some more of these. I love using these for Happy Mail. Oh, look at these doilies. These are big ones too. So use these doilies on all kinds of projects. Send them in Happy Mail. So that will be nice. Look at this bag. She sent me a couple mailing bags that I can use. see here. Cute envelope. And then she put these in here. Look at these. We got the flag, the rocket, heart. Look at all those. And she made this envelope. That's so cute. And I can use these bags. I love that. We got some more washi tape. And this one has little critters on it. I hope you guys can see that because I'm outside. And then another bag I can use to mail out, which I could really use right now. And let's see here. Of course, the last thing I pick out is a card. And it says, "A Haunted Halloween." And look at that. That is so cute. That is so cute. It says, "Dear Pam, get your scare on Halloween, October 2022. We do a Halloween or fall swap too, which I'll be getting hers out." That's so cute. And it looks like she made another envelope. Look at this one. This is so cute. And she sent me some Happy Mail stickers, which I am so happy to send those out. I will read that off camera. And then she made this card, and I'll read that off camera. Isn't that beautiful? And she wrote me a note. So cute. So this was my swap. We do a major once-a-year swap because we got introduced in July, almost 2 years ago, on a Happy Meal Pals group. So we do swaps once a year. So that's my swap. I'll be sending hers out shortly. I'm still gathering some things for her. Alright everyone, thank you for taking the time out to watch my video and leaving sweet comments. I greatly appreciate you, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.